Okay, we came out to a new spot on Eagle Mountain Lake, so we're going to try a totally different spot. Never been here before. Looks like the water's super low, probably I don't know, 8 foot low. It's about 82 degrees, not very much wind. We do have some cloud coverage.
See over here the swim area,
So
where the buoys are still on the ground, dude.
Not sure how today's going to go. We like Eagle Mountain. Should be interesting. Stick with us. I kind of want to fish those boat docks, but I also kind of want to get in the cove. I don't know. I bet it's shallow. And that was the plan, to hit these little things, but it may be too shallow. Look at that bird. I'm at 1 foot of water. Not looking good yet, boys. I guess we can cross over and see what this is about. We'll try it.
I don't see a way through, dude. Huh. Could be a short trip, gentlemen.
The sandbar goes all the way around. Usually people up by the boat ramp, so they usually can't even see that. So, I mean, this turned into just a real big pond. Shallow one, but it turned into a really big pond.
Uh-oh. Whew.
Little bite. Feel like a perch or something. There he is, boys. Hey. Yeah, on that dock post or the wall. Trapped in this place. Can't get over the sandbar because the dang lake's so low, but we're going to try to make the best of it. Maybe have about 30 minutes, an hour of fishing. First one. Let's go. Okay, we got to find a new spot. This not so much.
You got maybe 2.5 feet out here all the way across almost. We found some at 3. Nothing, no structure to fish. The docks aren't no good. So we're gonna try to load up real fast, maybe find another spot and hit it real quick.
Okay, spot number 2. Hopefully it's not near as shallow. So we moved over, went to another boat ramp even. It was 30 bucks to launch. I'm not going to do it, can't do it. So we found another place just really close. Still Eagle Mountain. We're gonna try to hit these rock walls. We'll see what happens. It's gotten even hotter. It's only been about an hour since we've got off. We're gonna drop in. Who knows, it's still worth a shot. We'll see you in a minute.
This has got to be 5 foot. I'm sitting 7 foot, 7, 8 foot. I should be hitting bottom up by the rocks anyway. How deep? Oh yeah. He hit it hard. Oh, he ain't came up yet, dude. Ah, drum. He hit it good though, dude. Hey. I was talking to the deer. He's up there having a snack. Got another one. This looks like the right species. Not real big though. Yeah, right species. Not real big. Really is dink. Almost a scupper, but too big for that. But it'll get the skunk out. Not bad. Still a little small.
Yeah, a little small, man, but it seems like they're hitting that crank.
Yep.
Take it. I might have to run something a little shallower. 2 to 1 on me. He's got me by 1. Back to the worm. Get. hell? See that thing trying to kill me? Get out of here. There he is. Yeah. Good one. He's okay. I'll take it, that's for sure. Okay, that's 2. Can't complain about that. That's 2 to 2. Oh. Hey. Gotta give him the old, oh, dang it. Now he's got one. See you later.
There he is. A good one. Feels good anyway. Oh yeah, he's pretty good. So stay down. Oh, he's barely hooked. Got him. Yes, he's nice. 3 pounds maybe, 2.5. I said 2.5, 3 pounds. Sir, they call me Honest Kitchens. That's number 3 fish. That's a little bit more like what we're looking for. She's a nice one. 16 inches maybe. Nice fish. Let's get her back in. We got another rock wall with a lot of shade over there, dude. Oh man, what is this? Something huge, dude. Huge. It's a carp or a drum. I got up where I seen it. I'm just lucky I didn't get a face full of hook.
Come back through here before we call it a day. An awful day for having to switch locations and lose the morning.
Yeah, we kind of rebounded. If these skiers weren't so dadgum close.
Too shallow the other place, and there's 100 ski boats in this place. All right, guys, I think that's going to be it for the day. Wasn't a bad day all in all, but we went to the first location, launched, and it was super shallow, like 1 to 2 foot. We were contemplating whether to come to another location because we're going to lose the morning. It's going to get hot. I mean, it's Texas, right? So we decided to go ahead and come out here to another spot on Eagle Mountain. Right away, he started getting them on the crankbait, and then I got one on a worm. All in all, it wasn't too bad, but it is getting hot, like super, like Jennifer Aniston hot. So we're going to call it a day. Appreciate it, guys. Like and subscribe. Deal's a deal.